To check your account balance on Actors Access, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the website and find your balance quickly. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Actors Access website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This is where you can find various account details and options. Step 3. Locate the account balance section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your balance. Check the display balance to see how much credit you have left in your account. You may also find options to view transaction history for more details. Step 5. Log out. After reviewing your account balance, make sure to log out of your account for security purposes. Click on the Log Out button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Actors Access. Remember to keep your login information secure.